Okay, so here is the third ride on Stargirl. I'm the center post, so they sometimes come to me for safety. There we go, good girl. And then I'm helping encourage her to go forward. She was a little frisky this morning, so she had to work pretty hard, so she's getting kind of sweaty now. Plus, she's all fuzzy because it's coming on to winter. Sorry for the shake, that's when I have to help out with the whip. Yeah, walking in circles, I'm not sure who's going to be dizzier, me or the person watching this. Good girl. It's her first day loping. This is the second side. I forgot to get the camera out on the first side. But I know Becky always likes to see her little ponies. There she goes. Good girl. She's really only done one little panic under saddle. Nothing major, but she can sure goose about things. She's a little bit of a free spirit. Good girl. Rick's probably complaining because I'm videoing instead of helping him. There she goes. Good girl. Very good girl. Aw, what a sweetheart.